Okay, this is a 2020 Kia Stinger. It's the 2.0 turbo. This one we went ahead and deleted the rear mufflers on it. And we're gonna see how it sounds with just the muffler deletes. These are the two mufflers that we cut off of it. All right, so here's the bottom side of the car. Pretty much all straight pipe already. Goes into a dual right there. We cut those mufflers out you just seen. Put a couple of delete pipes in there. It's got dual tips that are part of the bumper. Just had to run the delete pipes out one hole. These cars have a huge catalytic converter up in there. So we'll go ahead and let this thing down, start it up, and see how she sounds. Sounds pretty good. That's two rear muffler deletes, which is all it's got anyways. '20 Kia Stinger muffler deletes.